Hi there. Today in this short tutorial, we will learn how to check Sass is installed properly or not in a system. We will use CMD here. Go to command type Sass _version. Press enter. It shows that the Sass is compiled with Dart2.js. It means Sass is installed successfully and we are ready to use it. Additionally, we can also check the Node version. Type Node-v, press enter. The Node version is shown. Hope you found this video useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.